Okay, what's up, y'all? So, today is Thursday, January 7th. January 7th. So, I know it's been a while and I've been doing vlogs like every 2 days, but I needed something good to post. So, I actually have a DIY project and I'm really excited for it. So, basically, I am going to be, let me get it. I'm so excited. I'm going to be putting this grass wall on the wall with my TV. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you guys how I do it. I told y'all I'm about to be doing some DIYs up in this thing, okay? So I'm on my way to get my staple gun because I saw a couple YouTubers and that's all they used was a staple gun. I already had one, so I was like, cool, I don't have to go and get more hardware than usual. And then I think the staple gun will cause less damage to my wall. Like I won't have it, deep holes in them, stuff like that. So, I'm really excited. I hope it turns out so pretty. Oh, also, I'm sorry about this angle. Y'all looking all up in my nose, huh? Alright. Also, I have these LED strip lights that I want to put around the TV as well. Most people, when I see them do the grass wall, they just do it on some random accent wall, and they might put like a LED light like on the wall, but it's usually just a plain wall. But this wall actually is my TV wall, so I'm thinking about doing it from window to window, from ceiling to the floor, or at least from the baseboard all the way to the baseboard on the floor. But these are my LED lights, and I don't even know how these lights work. I don't know anything, y'all. I just had an idea and I just want to see it come to life. Okay, so let's try to open this, and I'm about to put my dog away because she gonna be getting in my way and I'm working. I'm so excited. I'm gonna give y'all a better angle so y'all can actually see me doing everything. Layla! So y'all can see me doing everything. But we about to get this party started, right? If y'all know what movie that is from, then I know y'all fucks with me for real. Because I am a huge Will Smith fan. And DreamWorks, Disney, Pixar, whatever you want to call it. Cartoons. Huge fan. So if you know where we about to get this party started, right? If y'all know where that's from, let me know. Put it in the comment section. Let me know where that's from. I already gave y'all like the biggest hints. I said Will Smith. So all y'all gotta do is name the movie. Okay? Or name the character, like his character name. Okay, so the reason I'm gonna install this first, I'm gonna install the lights first, because essentially I want to hide this black cord underneath the grass. That way it looks like just a floating TV with some lights. I don't want the cord showing, which is also a reason how I came up with this idea. Like, I don't want that cord showing, and we had I'm sorry, my finger was all in the way. So I don't want that cord showing, and I don't want those holes from where the TV mount was originally placed. Why was it placed there? I don't know. But I'm gonna put my dog away, and then we're gonna get into this project, okay? know that's kind of ghetto. But I got the lights all the way around the TV. The strip lights that I bought, they were so long that I had to literally go around the TV like twice. Because obviously you can't cut it because it's one circuit. So if I cut it, I would have turned it off. So it gives me a little remote. I just want to verify that everything works. Okay, see, why you're not turning? So you're on, but you're not. Oh, y'all, I didn't take the little paper out. Okay, let's try it again. So right now we got blue. Y'all, it works. I'm so happy. Look. Okay, look. See, here's red. Go red. Oh, here's green. Go green. Oh, yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so my plant, I know that's a little ghetto because I taped it right there, but my initial plan is that these grass squares, since I'm putting them on the wall, it'll cover up that entire wiring. Also, y'all, so you remember that TV stand I had right here? So I tried to move it out the way, right? And we saw a screw like recently, but we didn't know what it went to. So I'm assuming it went to this. So I tried to drag it out of the way and try to pick it up, and then it was too heavy, so I decided to push it. When I pushed it, it completely broke. So no more TV stand. But I mean, like, we don't really use it anyway, so I'm not too pressed about it. But it's just the fact that I tried to move it out the way so I can do this. I mean, granted, that just gives me more room to get another one. But now we're gonna, hopefully everything works out as far as stapling these grass squares along the base of the wall and stuff. I think these are pretty big, so I think it'll cover, I think it'll cover these. So that's what we're gonna do and get to stapling. So I also saw Instagram, okay, so I saw on my YouTube videos that they have like these little holes right here where essentially you can pop them into place like puzzle pieces. And then I guess I can just staple it down, somewhere like right up in here or somewhere on the wall. Again, this is trial and error. I just watched some YouTube videos about it. I'm gonna start in that corner because there's no obstructions in the way, and then I'll work my way left to right and then go up, left to right and go up, make my way up like that. But essentially I want this entire wall covered and covering up those wires. So here we go. All right, y'all, so small intermission. My staple gun, it was rusted. I don't know, I guess it rusted from the moisture from when the movers packed up our stuff. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not the rust expert. All I know is the place where you put the nails or the staples, it was so rusty that it was hard to slide out. And then when I did get it to slide out, it was hard to slide it back in. So long story short, I'm on my way to Walmart to get another one because I ain't got time. I don't got time, okay? Okay. So that's where we headed. And I'll pick back up with you guys once I get back home, and I'll be stapling my grass to the wall, okay? So that's what we hoping. Oh, P.S. by the way, ignore this bushy shit on my head, please. I've been contemplating on doing braids on myself, and like box braids or like knotless box braids, not too sure. But I haven't fully decided because one, I haven't had the time really, and two, I don't know how much of a good grip I'm gonna have on my hair with these nails. Like, I just don't know, because usually every time I do braids or some kind of hairstyle on myself, it's my natural nails. Like, it's not acrylic or anything like that. So I don't know if I'm gonna have any type of grip on my hands. So, but in order for the braids to actually, I guess, stay on grip so they don't slip out, I I have to kind of leave it at its blow-dried state. I can't straighten it. I can't have it like wet curly. I can't have it wavy. I can't have it nothing. Like when my hair dries and air dries and then I brush it, it kind of has to stay at that state, or else it won't hold, because my hair is still too soft, and so my hair will just slip right out if I did anything to it. Like, of course I'm gonna put like a moisturizer in it or something like that, because obviously I don't want my hair to be so dry that it breaks off. But as far as like leave-in moisturizer, oil, no. I'll probably just do some type of moisturizer and call it a day, and then try to do the braids or whatever. But that's why my hair looks like shit. I haven't decided if I wanted to braid it yet. If I do decide to braid it, I may or may not record it. I don't know. I might actually do it tomorrow. Who knows? I don't know. This week has just been all around a busy freaking week. And between work and just me wanting to do my own shit, I just been busy. And then trying to schedule in a nap before I pick up my son from daycare. It's just, I be busy. A bitch be busy. So that's what it is. Nothing more, nothing less. So anyway, I'm tired of my ranting. Like I said, I'll pick back up with you guys once I get the staple gun and I'm back at the house, because I'm just ranting at this point. So okay, so I'm back. I got my staple gun. That's Devontae in the background.
Oh, you told me that.
Yeah. So hopefully this one works better than the one we had. I'm hoping these staples work. Maybe I'm just retarded.
I appreciate that big time. That little bit of it. They have a crew coming in this weekend because of the entire department being out because of COVID and pneumonia. Yeah, I'm about to send you an email with some more details and everything. A little crazy. Okay, we'll do. You too. Alright, go ahead, babe. Yeah.
I can't get this shit to work. Okay. The other one was too big.
You said it was too big?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. I finally got this thing to load. So, I'm not going to change my clothes because I have a strange feeling by the time I finish, it's going to be time for me to go get Gabe from daycare. So, it is 11:40. And I got 2 boxes of grass. So. So after an hour and maybe an hour and a half later, this is my final result. And I think it's a winner. Isn't it? Isn't it, Devontae?
I like it.
Isn't it, Devontae?
I like it.
I did that because when I first told him about it, he said, "The thing's fucking ugly."
No, I didn't say it's fucking ugly. I said, hell no. That's what I said.
Whatever. But
And I said, if you're going with a light grass color, it's going to look ugly.
this looks good. This looks freaking amazing. And I'm glad I didn't care what he said.
Actually, you did.
Nope.
Let's tell the whole story. Let's tell the whole story, why don't you? Your feelings was hurt. You wasn't about to get it no more, and I looked at some.
All